from Telangana. I have completed BE in CSE from Savita School of Engineering. I have joined Jspiders Punjagutta for Java full stack in the month of July 2025. My Java trainers are Rick sir, Pavan sir and Ravi sir, who helped me to understand the concepts of Java and programming from basics to advanced. My SQL and web trainers are Karishma ma'am and Reshma ma'am, who helped me to understand the concepts easily in practical way. And the grooming session helped me to revise the concepts very easily and thoroughly. And I have attended weekly mocks, which helped me to increase my confidence and communication skills. And also I have attended aptitude classes, which helped me to clear the interview rounds of the first round. And I have got placed through Jspiders. Thank you, Jspiders Panagutta.